Hello, everyone. The Magna Carta quoting group decided, through their self-appointed spokesperson, to come out with a video in response to Justice Grace's decision. And I will put a link for it down in the description below. But to be honest, I was rather disappointed. It was under 4 minutes long, and it had less vitriol than I actually would have thought. Still smells nonsense, though. At first, I thought maybe I should be quite serious about this, but it's hard to maintain complete decorum when someone throws out words they think mean something that they quite clearly don't. So here are my thoughts on the video. Ms. Robinson, or Phoenix, or whatever name she is using today, what she said in her video is probably one of the most insanely idiotic things I've ever heard. At no point in Ms. Robinson's rambling, incoherent, false narrative was she even close to anything that could be considered a rational, legally factual thought. Ms. Robinson can't even keep her Magna Carta consistent. So what is it, Ms. Robinson? Is it 1215 or is it the 1216 one? As you recall, in 1216, the Magna Carta did not include an Article 61, which you rely on so heavily for your so-called law, really fake law. Not that any of this is really relevant anyway, because the doesn't matter what version of Magna Carta you're spouting, doesn't apply in Canada. I'd love to offer an intelligent commentary here, but her video is so full of irrational statements, it essentially cannot be argued. But let's say, hypothetically, she's correct. And in 2001, Article 61 of the Magna Carta was in force and invoked. Well, Canada repatriated in our Constitution in 1982. We declared ourselves a sovereign nation from the United Kingdom. Not one of the barons who could have invoked Article 61 at that time chose to do so and stop that repatriation. Therefore, we lawfully, as Ms. Robinson is now trying to do, cut ties from the United Kingdom law, including the Magna Carta. Surely, if the barons had seen an illegal act in 1982, they would have stopped it. So, on that basis, Article 61 is of no force and effect in Canada. Now, if the barons had removed the Queen in 2001, as this group claims, why do those same barons continue to follow the laws created by Parliament? Why do they pay taxes? Why do they obey the traffic laws? Why do they continue to accept payment from the government? Surely, that must mean that they recognize the authority of Parliament and, by proxy, the rightful monarch, Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II. If they were in lawful dissent in 2001 and in the 19 years since, why have they not begun the process to have a new monarch selected? Why is the Queen still on the throne? Why has Lord Craigmile not taken any action? Why does he continue to submit to these laws? The Barons' submission to Parliament and the Crown, according to Ms. Robinson, is treason. So to follow their logic, they've sworn oath to a traitor. No doubt they'll likely say that he does it under duress, as that seems to be kind of their go-to line when their arguments can't really be explained. Last I heard, though, Lord Craigmile didn't have the British Army on his doorstep, or doesn't suffer from financial sanctions, and he still has his title. I might make a suggestion to Ms. Robinson Phoenix, aka whatever, and her followers and supporters, that if you want to play lawyer, at least get a legal dictionary and maybe a copy of our Constitution. Just saying. Oh, and last time that I checked, a jury of the people is the same old jury we use all the time, made up of people. I have the September 30th deadline for her arguments to the court in my calendar, and I can't wait to enjoy another excellent decision from the Honorable Mr. Justice Gracer. Take care.